Guys, hello guys, welcome to my channel Hanze237. How are you guys doing? Hope you all are doing great. Okay, so today is another week. It's going to be a weekly vlog. I'm going to Buea, and you guys know that I'm always excited to go to Buea. In case you don't know why, it's because it's my village, Moliko to be precise. It just reminds me of my childhood in Moliko, my university school days, and so many other stuff. Okay, and so I'm always that excited to go to Buea. There is a project that I'm doing in Buea. I'm super excited. I'm grateful to God for this project, and I pray that by the end of the project I achieve what I want to. So let me not let the cat out of the bag yet. At the right time I'm going to tell you guys. Okay, talk to you guys later. Enjoy the vlog. Bye. Hi guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So guys, today is Saturday and it's a chilled one for me. I just finished doing my son's laundry and I gave him his bath and made him to sleep. This guy has developed a new sleeping position which I'm going to share with you guys in motion pictures. Okay, I don't have videos, so I'll just put it by the side for you guys to see. So he has developed a new sleeping position where he sleeps on my butt. I don't know, this is strange to me. My first son didn't do this, but recently Ronel has been finding my butt very comfortable for him to sleep. Are you a mom and have you ever experienced that? Let me know in the comment section. It's funny. Anyways guys, so right now I feel like eating fried plantains, so I want to go and make it right now. So come with me to the kitchen. Okay. Yay, raining season is here guys. Even though it's not my best season, I really do not love raining season, but I'm excited. I mean, if you're a farmer, this is a good time for you because it signifies that raining season is here. It's time for you to till the soil and plant. Okay, Guys, so this is the first rain of the year, or the raining season, and it signifies change of climate. And usually change of climate affects people differently, and so in my case it affected myself and my son. Or we could say it's because we left Yaoundé to Southwest, and then it immediately, few days after, it rained, so that really affected us. We felt sick for 1 week, and we took some malaria treatment and some antibiotics, as you can see me trying to take mine here. And I equally had some body pains, or malaria usually comes with body pains, yeah. So I took painkillers as well. And guys, to be honest, I don't love medication. I don't love medicine at all. And well, I only take them when I'm really not feeling well. But once I start feeling better, I just abandon them. But in this case, I had to take my complete dose because it's malaria treatment. And if you do not complete it, trust me, the malaria is going to come back double. So, but anyways, right now, as I'm doing this video or doing this voiceover, we are all feeling much better, guys. Do not laugh at me. Look at the way I'm going to take at my I'm going to take my medication. Oh my god, I don't want the tablet to touch my tongue. I send it straight to my throat. Oh my god. And how many of you do this? I mean, growing up, and I still do it sometimes, especially when I don't like the scent of the medication that I'm taking. Immediately I take my medication, I just throw in something sweet in my mouth, or something that can sweeten my mouth, or just make me feel better. Hi guys, so I'm in the kitchen right now, and I'm cooking granite stew, granite soup, whichever way you choose to call it, or peanut soup, or peanut butter soup, whatever. Choice is yours. So look at that. Okay.